Ceratizit Group catalogue, Tony, is a fantastic product. You've got 60,000 products in here out of 100,000 that are available. Most engineers I know have not got a letterbox that big to get it through, but you do have another way of reaching them on a quarterly basis from the 1st of September.
Yeah, Mark, as you say, the catalogue's a bit of a beast. It's a big book. So in order to make it easier for customers in terms of tool selection, every quarter we produce a special selection which has got our most popular first choice tools in.
And how do engineers actually receive this, Tony?
Engineers can receive that either via their local technical sales engineer, or they'll meet on a regular basis, or we have a mailing campaign, so we mail out to all contacts on a database. If customers want to receive the quarterly brochure, they just need to give us a request that, and we'll add them to the mailing database.
And I know you've got the 4 brands, WNT over the years. I believe that you've been doing this on a regular basis over the years, every quarter. Why do you do it? Is it that popular?
Yeah, it's an extremely popular tool. If customers, obviously the main thing is the catalogue. This is our Bible. This has got 60,000 products in it. But if a customer is limited on time, or as a new customer to us, and they've not got a deep knowledge of the catalogue, then they can use the special selection brochure to get quicker to the tool, faster to the tool that they want. It's got our most popular first choice tools in from our experience of the last 20 years.
And for any customers, engineers that don't know Ceratizit, you have something very specific, don't you, from Kempton? What actually is it, and what does it mean to the customer?
In terms of delivery, if a customer orders any of these tools by 6:30 p.m. at night, guaranteed next day before noon delivery to the UK and Ireland is our service level.
And is that a game changer in the UK and Ireland?
It was back in 1999, and it's still, you know, when we talk to customers and we ask them what they value about our relationship with them, service in terms of delivery, ex-stock availability and next day delivery is still the number one thing, along with technical support, but the number one thing is our delivery service.